Yeah, Dev. You got some competition, my boy. Welcome back, YouTube. It's been a little while. Back on Proper Flex TV. I got 2 new cars this summer. We're gonna be working on this. I got an E39 540i 6-speed, 2001. I picked this up in Queens in like June from one of my good friends. This is gonna be one of the first projects. We're bringing this down to Florida. You see that? 540, big V8. You know how we doing it. You know what I'm saying? 6-speed. You see that? You see how I'm coming? We're gonna tow this to the shop tomorrow morning or tonight. The other thing we did, I got the white bitch. You see that, right? We got the 4 Series now in white. We got the white 430 hard top. The last hard top that they made with BMW too. And this one is, I'm not gonna tell y'all what we're doing with this yet, but as you can see, I'm not fucking around, man. Tint all around. We here. Stay tuned though. We got a lot of work to do with that bitch back there. Goes to the shop she goes. To give y'all a quick update, we in the shop right now. This shit is getting a whole lot of shit, man. Drop off this fuel pump today. Hopefully it gets this shit started. After they do the fuel pump, we got the clutch right there. Get our clutch installed. You know, the Beamer way. 10 o'clock in the morning. Had to go pick up the fucking, what's it called? Fuel pump for the 3rd time. 3rd time's the charm, right? So we're gonna take this fuel pump to the shop, get that shit installed. As y'all seen, we got this shit running yesterday real quick. But we gotta get it to the shop, you feel me? It's raining today. Today is Wednesday. I don't know what fucking date it is, bro. We about to hop in and go to the shop. Be right back. Need the rush hour real quick. It's a Stingray?
Yeah.
75 Stingray. Bro said this the Chris Tucker right here. Check the wheels on it. Oh my God, bro. The exhaust is fire. Ah, damn. Walking in the shit. Wide body. Interior is stupid. Clean as hell. Look at this shit. We made it to the shop real quick. You see this bitch. She on the lift right now. We gonna get her right. Just dropped off this fuel pump. Install that shit. Brakes is cooked. It's a little dark. Obviously, we gonna need some rotors on this bitch. This shit is crazy. I'm saying? That's about that, bruh. up, y'all? We back. 4:30 I vibes. I've been doing a whole mix up of videos. I got this, the E60, the F33, and the E39. We got 3 Beamers to work on. My boy flying. Shit nice. Auto boy with the 330 CI project. Some exhaust work. See what's up. Auto boy in the cut. Look, my boy got snap-on shoes, bro. Y'all niggas is not real techs, bro. I'm not fucking with my boy, bro. Look at that. I just learned today.
Stupid, son.
I just learned today that we have snap-on shoes, bro. We gotta see if they got them in a size 14 for me, because I'm hating. Too official.
Dang.
Calm. Cut this off his E60. Got the exhaust pipes and the straight pipe off this one behind me. That shit, it's a lot going on. Rev it. Yo, you gotta drive it. You gotta do a drive, bro.
Yeah, pull up. Man, actually, I gotta go around the corner right quick.
That's the auto boy.
Got in there, son.
The Hundo way.
Shit loud as a mother.
Yeah.
Nigga, my 3 Series wasn't that loud.
That shit was crazy. Time we on. And he just straight piped that shit too. I wanna hear that shit.
Yeah, I gotta get that pulled there intake. You said it's gonna make it sound different?
Yeah, hell yeah, this shit be making it
Okay.
whistle.
Okay. That I could do myself.
Direct.
Picking it up right now. So I got the 430 and the 540 right now. I'm about to start it for the first time. See how this goes. You know, we got some heat out here. E60s and shit. E46, yada, yada, yada. First start. I'm nervous, but I'm excited at the same time. First start. Ugh, I wish I had a GoPro or some shit on. Make sure we in Nucci. You know what I'm saying? Oh shit. This bitch fucking loud, boy. She's running. That was OD, man. That bitch lives.